Hey yo guys, and welcome back to this new video. Today I want to show you my Adidas Response CL, and as you can see right here, these are such beautiful shoes. It's like it's like a running shoe or like a trekking shoe, and I think the colorway of this, like with the red here and the blue here, is so insanely beautiful. And I really do love this shoe. I have a it's kind of dirty here, but I have to clean that. If you have questions about this shoe, you can leave them in the comments. I think they are extremely comfortable. Like, this is one of the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn in my whole life. As you can see here, it's like you just go in and it's like super comfortable, and it looks very cool on the foot. It's like a running boot, like very old school, a little bit retro style, and it's very soft. And I also did a trip with these shoes, 4 months through South Asia, and they worked out as the perfect shoe. Like, I had to choose between a lot of shoes, because I mean, if you travel for 4 months, it's very important which shoe you pick, and I took this one, and it was the best decision I could have made. As I said before, they are a little bit dirty, but they are very beautiful. It's a very beautiful shoe. They have different colorways. I paid around 84 euros for this. It's a little bit cheaper than normal. I got a little discount, which is quite nice. So 84 is fair, I think. And I have the size 40 and then a little bit. And this is like a synthetic material, but this is leather. This is leather, and you can feel it when you touch it. It's like very good quality, I have to say. And I also played a little bit paddle with this and did some sports, and it also worked. Because you just have a very good, I don't know how to say it in English, your position in the shoe is very safe, but at the same time it's very comfortable and soft. For me, the perfect shoe, perfect all-rounder. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and we see each other next time. Bye bye.